Back at it. I don't think there's any news. Areas I'm looking at is 400. See if we break this 400 level on the day. It's gonna be the main area to watch. Let me switch this. 400. I'm looking for the low side, 18,041. Bottom side, 18,857. Or see if we come down here. I mean, we are pretty extended. Definitely due for a pullback, but we are ripping. On the 5 minute, we look pretty good, honestly. We had this nice little run up pre-market. Pretty much open. London shorted off this range. Now we're trying to come back into it. I mean, we're bouncing off this VWAP, which is right here. This is another small area, as you can see. Touched it multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we gonna actually break it today? Which is that 36 level. So smaller time frame. I'm about to pass all these accounts, so I'm not really too stressed about it. But yeah, those are the areas. Any news today? Not really. I mean, you got at six. You gotta. I mean, at 6:30 there was a Fed speaker. There's gonna be another Fed speaker. You got some bill auctions today, but that's pretty much it. There's really nothing else today, so could be a slow day, could be a choppy day. Um, right now we're just in this range. Came up, flashed below it. That was definitely during. Yep. Pretty much just trying to. We gapped up last night, kept ripping, but yeah. I don't know if there's gonna be any trades today. Um, might actually open up. I didn't even open up my book map yet. So if we look on book map, there's liquidity. There's liquidity sitting to the downside. So there's liquidity sitting at this 340 level, which is pretty much right below VWAP. That's pretty much everyone who just went long. Sitting right around here. You got the top side liquidity sitting at 353. So right around here. So rejecting point of control. It's just we're too bullish. We're getting these shorts coming. We're looking good on the 1 minute. They're really trying to come short. They're trying to come down with this. We're below VWAP though, which is good from that. But it could bounce. Could bounce back. We're gonna have buyers start stepping in. I'm gonna take this long. We're gonna keep it pretty tight. I wanna see us get pushed out of here and retest these highs. However, stop pretty tight. So if it does reject, it'll be fine. But on the 1 minute, we look really good. I want to see us push harder out of here. fine if it hits my stop. Yep, it's fine. I already knew. Had this nice shift, reject. Thought we were gonna try to bounce off of here, but there you go. Yeah, we're pretty much just balanced right now. We're sitting really balanced. Buyers are trying to step in. I need some momentum. I need to see us get back above this VWAP. And we'll hop into this push. Let's see if we push up a little bit. If we sweep these lows, I'll get out, but I'm gonna stay in this. I just feel like the Bulls just don't want to give this up. I mean, we did have this nice little flush, try to push down, swept these lows. I could move my stop a little further down, realistically, but they're really trying to short this. We just need some buyers to step in, because we do have topside liquidity sitting at that 350 level. Yeah, this is a nice push. Try to drop it down, chop it out a little bit. It's a 2-to-1 trade. Once we get to, I want to see us sweep these highs. Once we sweep these highs, I'm gonna instantly move my stop, because we'll already take out these shorts and then we'll just be pushing right back up. So, but on Bookmap, there's really no volume. There's none in the market. Yeah, there was none. There's no buyers, none whatsoever. They're gonna try to keep shorting us. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna sweep below this level. I don't know. I might take a short into this. As long as we don't sweep these highs, I'm looking to take us down into here. We'll add another. Adding 2 into this. I want to see us flush this bottom. Realistically, we'll possibly take it off in the year, but we're still gonna be in this. This is gonna keep dropping. This is just playing around. Yeah, here it comes. It's just the play action is so slow and there's not a lot of volume. If we sweep these lows, I'm already out. Yeah. It's like what I said. Fucking, there's no liquidity. We did hit the level. I want to see if we respect this. That is crazy. Wow. We had a huge stop sell. Delta came in hot right there. Um, we're gonna go like 2 contracts. We could bounce. I mean, we are below VWAP. Like VWAP's all the way up there at the 43. We are pretty low. We're pretty much just falling. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. We do have that bottom side liquidity at that 25 that we're trying to. Looks like we're trying to get, which is that low. Like down here. It's the 30-second, 5 minute. We look pretty good. We finally broke out in a sense because we were just tight, drop, closed. Now we tried to do a continuation, but bouncing right off this line. So are we gonna come back up and retest this, or are we just gonna play around? There's a lot of defending right now. All right, so I want to see when the market opens because it's 9:03. I want to see when the market opens. So this is the hourly chart, right? We came up sort of double topped here in a sense. So right now we're pretty much just sideways. I want to see us come down and engulf and break under. If we can realistically break underneath this 310 level, we can. There's a lot of room to the downside. Like look at that. Like we can start filling FVGs all the way down. Because realistically, like we could possibly come all the way down to about like 155. Like that's possibly like my low target. So we could possibly play around today and just start stepping it down for the rest of the day. Which realistically that could be it's what 174 ticks. So that's extremely doable. Extremely doable. I am down in this account as you guys can see 760. But I'm not really too worried. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just scale it lightly back. So scale 1-2 contracts, make that money back slowly, and then just go from there. But yeah, I pretty much just got chopped up in this price action today. There's nothing really crazy. There was no news, so usually I don't really trade at 8:30 if there's no news. Get news at 8:30 because it doesn't make any sense. Right now we're sweeping these lows. Um, I'm not gonna really take any trades because it is 9:04 and anything can happen. Like we could sweep these lows. 9:30 comes and we just rip straight up. We break this, and we just start creating a new all-time high. So my high target of the day is I think it's. Let me see. My high target of the day is I want to see if we can break. I want to see if we can come up to the 400s. Like that's my high target of the day. So that from previous all time highs, that'd be another 23 ticks. So it's really nothing too crazy. I mean, but we are coming down because we had this nice little rejection at 4. So people who are still in these shorts, if they definitely got in around here, they're still in the money, right? The shorts is still printing, but once we sweep this low, I feel like we're just gonna come down to 310. 310 is gonna possibly be that fall point. You gotta also realize there's a lot of news this week between jobless claims, Dodd Farb. You got some Fed members speaking this week again, so you got good volatility, good strength. So, I mean, it all depends. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, this is usually like the waiting part. Waiting to see what happens. Another thing is like, um, when I'm in drawdown, I really don't stress. Like, I don't got any stress. I just laugh at this. So it's like 760. It's not nothing too crazy. So I could definitely bounce back. It's no problem, no issue. So my just my main worries is just start off light. Once I get into a good position, starts controlling risk. Like, and any trader knows this. Like, once you're in some type of drawdown on the day, you can stop. But me, I already have that backbone of 1,000, so I'm already capped at 1,000. So I'm not too worried. My thing is now, okay, I'm just gonna control my risk. We're gonna now, once we get into the profits, we're just gonna start. We're gonna scale, but also scale off. You know what I mean? So increase the profit, but also decrease the risk. So that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, Bitcoin is ripping. It's crazy. But yeah, we still got a couple more minutes. We'll see what happens. All right, we got 2 minutes left till market open. Right now, we are pretty much just playing around. I'm on the 30-second timer just because I like to look at the 30 seconds to see how we do. I mean, we're trying to push. Realistically, if we get below this 10 level, I'm looking to see us just fall, which we're trying to do. It looks like we're trying to like make our way down there. The bookmap liquidity has pretty much dried out. There's really not a lot, realistically. We do got that liquidity sitting up at that 37 level, so we could possibly take that out, which is right around here. So we could take out this level right here at 37 because there is liquidity. There's also resting liquidity sitting down here at this 16. So right here. So I want to see what goes. We got 1 minute till market open. I'm looking at 3 contracts long, to be honest with you. It's gonna open long. Oh yeah, we're out. All right, we're done.